Did you see that difference? The embryonic root of this green apple here from New Zealand that we bought from the department store. See the embryonic root there? It already comes out, and I'm sure that this will grow. We have another seed there, actually two of them, and this one is 25 baht, close to $1 in one piece. So we're going to plant this one. See that one difference? The embryonic root there. We need to be very careful. Wow! I'm not expecting for that long of the embryonic root. See that? Oh, I'm scared. See that one? It's from the fruit itself. The YouTube friends, from the fruit itself. We'll see more. But why there is this another one embryonic root here? Where is this from? Did we slice something here? Or maybe on the other side. I think there's more here. Another seed in here. We've got 3 that are looking good and fresh. Another one here. Oh, not 1 but 2. So I will plant them all. 5, and the other one has already embryonic root. Oh man, there's another one. That the embryonic root is also already outside. This is gonna be exciting. Awesome. So 5 seeds that don't have any embryonic root outside, and these 2, the embryonic root is already coming out. It's very clear. Can be identified there. See that one? And this is green apple, not Fuji. And by the way, the Fuji seeds, we have 2 last time and the other one died, and there's only 1 surviving. I'll show you outside. Here, YouTube friends, as you can see, out of 7 seeds, 2 have already their embryonic roots outside, and we're going to plant them together. Now here, YouTube friends, we're going to plant these apple seeds of that green apple that we have lately during our last time. And that was from New Zealand, that green apple. It's quite expensive, and we'll see if there will be success to this. We have 7 seeds. I plant 2 here and 3 seeds here, and these 2 seeds that has its embryonic root outside already, we're going to plant this one separately. these are the 5 seeds. So we'll be placing here 2 seeds, and the other 3 seeds will be planted right here. You get? And I'll give you the update maybe in a week time. So that I don't have much time doing the edit, because it will eat a lot of time on my side. So I'm going to upload this one right today. I will come back here next week, or as soon as the seeds started to appear above the ground, especially these two. If they can survive, then sure enough, not maybe less than a week time, that will come out above the ground. But these 5 seeds here, maybe it will take longer time, but we'll monitor that one, and once we can see progress, then we'll give you an update. And besides, I already uploaded this apple here. Actually, there were 2 seeds here and 2 young plants, and then like after 3 weeks time, the other plant was eaten by an insect, because that embryonic root beneath the soil was cut. So I'm sure somebody have beaten it, and so this one only surviving. We have only one Fuji apple surviving, but actually we have bigger plant outside or at the back of the house, and I'll start doing some air layering to reproduce our apple plants more. This one is Fuji apple, and these seeds here, these are seeds of that green apple from New Zealand. This one is Fuji. So if these seeds will have at least 1 or 2 out of 7 that can survive, then we will have 2 varieties of apple already. We have this Fuji apple and these green apple from New Zealand. So we'll be back in 2 weeks time or a week time, depends on when the seeds start to appear on the ground, or I'll give you an update if there will be no success out of this planting. And of course, I'll try to look after and take care of this Fuji apple here. Somehow this can grow big. And thank you for watching, and I'll be back. See you in the next upload. Bye.